Dear Mr. Harrington, a good credit rating is a valuable thing, period. It is worth much more to you than most of your other business assets, period. A good credit rating is not particularly difficult to obtain, but it is very easy to lose, paragraph. Your account with the Cunningham Wholesale Company, which you have had for many years, is now several months past due, period. We have written you many times, but you have not acknowledged any of our letters, period. Under these circumstances, we are now faced with our last alternative, period. If we do not hear from you by return mail, we must turn your account over to our lawyers for collection, period. This will, of course, endanger your credit rating, paragraph. Immediate action on your part could prevent this from happening, period. Just write us a short note, tell us why you have not paid your bill, and give us some idea of when we can expect a check, period. Do this today and protect your valuable credit rating, period. Yours truly, Ladies and gentlemen, we are extremely happy to announce that we have been able to persuade Dr. E.L. Bennington, who is president of the Bennington Company in Providence, to serve as the main speaker at the annual banquet of association, period. As you know, Dr. Bennington is a highly respected public speaker with an international reputation, period. He is recognized throughout the world as an acknowledged authority in the field of credit, period. We are indeed fortunate that he could fit our program into his busy schedule. Paragraph. Dr. Bennington will present a speech on some new ideas in credit management, period. We believe that this speech will have wide appeal, period, even though his speech will be at the opening morning session, comma, there should be a very large audience, paragraph, because we are expecting such a large turnout, comma, we suggest that you make your reservation immediately, period. Very truly yours.